The list views in Peachtree allow you to see at a glance records and tasks for a particular part of your company. We'll discuss ways to view, create, and edit records and transactions from lists, as well as to customize these lists. To view a list, select List from the menu bar, and then select the particular list you want to see. Within the list window, you can view your records or transactions, add new records and transactions, edit existing ones, select from other tasks and report options, and customize the list. On the left side of the list window, Peachtree displays tasks and reports associated with the particular list that's currently being displayed. Click one of the links to open that window and perform the task or view the report. In the main frame, you'll see the list of records and transactions. Click the New button to create a new record or transaction of the selected type. Click the Open button to open the selected record or transaction, or click the Print button to print a report of the entire list being viewed. You can also search for specific records by typing in a search term, and then select the field type to be searched. To add or remove columns being displayed, or to change the order of the columns being displayed, click the Settings button. To add a column, highlight the column in the Available Columns list and click Add. To remove a column, highlight the column in the Selected Columns list and click Remove. If you want to change the order of the columns, use the Move Up and Move Down buttons. Click OK when you are finished. To change the sort order, click the field label in the column that you want to sort by. Peachtree will now sort the list by that field in ascending order, that is, from A to Z. If you want to sort by descending order, click the field label again.